Let's make sure no one runs out of gas. Every driver must either refuel their vehicle enough to prevent it from having less than a quarter tank on return, or on a very busy day, report the low fuel situation to their supervisor. Department vehicles must be refueled at one of the following 3 stations. Don't worry, refueling is simple. Simply locate the fuel key fob attached to the vehicle keys, then place this fob in front of the sensor to identify the vehicle. Key in the mileage and press enter. Next, choose a pump, key in the pump number, and press enter again. Finally, pump fuel as if you were at a regular service station. If you have any questions about refueling on the road, refer to the refueling guide in your vehicle binder or reach out to your supervisor.